Hello students, we have the question here. A circus tent is in the shape of cylindrical surmounted by a cone. So we have a cylinder on the below side and top is your cone. The diameter of the cylindrical portion is 24. If the diameter is your 24 meter, then the radius will be your 12 meter. So here the radius is your 12 meter and the height is given, this cylindrical portion height is given 11 meter. Now if the vertex of the cone is 16 meter above the ground, so this vertex from here to here, this is 16 meter. So the cone height will be, only this cone height will be your 16 minus 11, that is 5 meter. So the height of the cone is 5 meter. Now we need to find out the area of the canvas. So the area of the canvas will be equal to the surface, curved surface area of the cylinder plus your cone. So here I can write that area of the canvas is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. Now we know that what is the formula, that here we have curved surface area of cone is pi RL, this is of cone, and here curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. This I am taking of cylinder. Now pi is 22 upon 7, R is given, R will be same, so R will be 12 here into L we need to find out, so this is going to be 12 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 22 upon 7, R of cylinder is 12 and H of cylinder, height of cylinder is 11. Now we need to solve this. I can just take 22 by 7 common and here I have 12. Solving this part I will get 13 and here 22 by 7 I have taken common, so I am left with your 2 times 12, that is 24 times 11. Now we need to solve this. So we have 22 upon 7, multiplying this I will get 12 times 13 is 156 plus 24 times 11 is 264 and adding this we will get 22 upon 7 into 420, or this we can cancel out, I will get 60. Now I need to multiply here with 22, 6 times 2 is 12 and 6 times 2 is 12 when goes. So here this is your meter, this much canvas you need a square meter cloth to make the canvas. Now we have the question here, an exhibition tent is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a cone. So here this is a tent, below you have a cylinder and on the top you have a cone. The height of the tent is above the ground is 85. So the total height is given here 85 meter. Now the height of the cylindrical part is given 50 meter. If the height of the cylindrical part is 50 meter, then the height of the cone will be 85 minus 50. So here I can write 85 minus 50, that is your 35 meter. Now if the diameter of the fold base is 168, diameter is given 168, so the radius will be half of 168, so the radius will be, we can just divide by 2, so it will be 84 meter, and whatever the radius of the cylinder will be, the same radius of the cone will be, so radius here also is your 84 meter. Now find the quantity of canvas required to make the tent, allow 20% for the fold and stitching. So first thing we need to find out the surface area. Okay, so here we can write canvas required for the tent will be equal to your curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus 20% your, we can take 20% of total curved surface area. Now, so from here what we can write, curved surface area of the cone is pi r l, this is for cone, and 2 pi r h is for cylinder, and whatever we find that total surface area, that we are going to write 20% of, and whatever we are going to find from here we will write that. So just I am writing total curved surface area. Okay, so here first thing, 22/7, r is your 84, L we need to find out, so I will use the formula for L equals to under root h square plus r square. So here h square, here the height is your 35 square and r is your 84, so 84 square plus 2 pi r h, so 2 into 22/7 into r we will take of cylinder, cylinder is 84 and cylinder height is 50. Okay, plus 20% can be solved as 1/5 into total curved surface area. Now first let us solve this. See here, very shortcut way of solving this is 35 square can be written as 35 can be written as 5 into 7, 84 can be written as your 12 into 7, and we know that using Pythagoras theorem 5 square plus 12 square under root is 13, so I will get 13 into 7 as solving this. So here I am just writing, either you can solve this or you can just write 13 into 7. So here I am writing 13 into 7, 7 cancels out. Now I will solve this. Here this also cancels out and you will get 12. So plus 2 into 22 into 12 into 50 plus 1/5 of total curved surface area. Now solving this total part, 50424 plus 1/5 of 50424. Now we will solve this and the answer will be 6050.8 meter square. Now it is given that give your answer to nearest meter square, so I will just increase this. So 60509 meter square is the required answer. Now we have another question here, from a solid cylinder of height 30 centimeter. So here this height is given here 30 centimeter, a conical cavity. Here this conical cavity we are taking out. Okay, now and the height of this conical cavity is your 24 centimeter. So from here to here it is your 24 centimeter. The radius of both the conical cavity is 7 centimeter and your cylindrical is also 7 centimeter. So first thing we need to find out the volume of the remaining part. So from here we can write volume of remaining part will be equal to the volume of cylinder minus volume of cone, because we are taking out cone, so we are going to subtract it out. So minus volume of cone. Now volume of cylinder is pi r square h and volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. R is same and pi is also same for both of them, so I will take out pi common. R square also I can take out common, so r square is 7 into 7. H is different for both. For cylinder the h is 30 and for cone the h is 24. Now here 7 cancels out with 7 and 7 times your 22 is 154. Here 30 and if I am cancelling out this, 3 times 8 is 24. Now 30 times minus 8. 30 minus 8 will give you 22. So this is your volume 154 so which is 3388 meter cube. Now second thing, we need to find out the total surface area. Now we can see that total surface area will be area of this circle plus area of the cylinder, whole cylinder, plus area of the curved surface area of this inner cone. So from here total surface area, your total surface area will be equal to area of the circle pi r square plus area of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h, plus area of the inner part of the cone, that is curved surface area, that is I am going to take pi r l. This is for circle, above circle this is for cylinder and this is for cone. So pi I can take common, so 22/7 I am taking common. R also, 1 R also I can take common. So here only R is left 7. Here pi and R I have taken common, so 2 into 30 for cylinder, and here pi and r I have taken common, so L is left. Now we need to find out L. This is 24 here and this is 7 here, so L will be under root 24 square plus 7 square, which will be your 25. So from here I can write directly 25. Now 7 cancels out with 7, 22. Here I will